Welcome to Gadget Geek Review, your go-to destination for the latest in innovative products and exciting discoveries. Today, get ready to embark on an adventure of exploration and fascination as we introduce you to some of the most groundbreaking gadgets and tools designed to enhance your everyday life. From cutting-edge technology to timeless classics, we're here to uncover the extraordinary and bring it straight to you. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. Long-range green laser pointer. Looking to elevate your outdoor adventures or entertain your feline friend? Introducing our latest innovation, the long-range green laser pointer pen. Crafted with upgraded materials, this high-power laser pointer boasts an impressive range of 2,000 meters, perfect for hiking enthusiasts or playful cat owners. With its rechargeable design and USB charging capability, you can enjoy endless hours of fun without worrying about battery replacements. Whether you're pointing out constellations in the night sky or engaging your pet in an interactive game, this laser pointer delivers precision and reliability every time. Elevate your experience with our long-range green laser pointer pen today. Mini Archery Bow Set Right Hand. Introducing the ultimate mini archery bow set for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Crafted from durable metal materials, this right-hand mini compound bow is designed to deliver precision and power. Whether you're honing your skills for hunting or simply seeking some archery entertainment, this versatile set caters to your every need. Suitable for both right and left-handed individuals, it offers flexibility and comfort during shooting practice sessions. Perfect for honing your accuracy or indulging in some outdoor fun, this mini bow set is bound to elevate your archery experience. Get ready to embark on your hunting adventures or simply enjoy some target practice with the mini archery bow set. Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Experience the joy of childhood memories with our Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Perfect for movie nights or cozy gatherings, this kit brings the campfire tradition indoors. Complete with marshmallow roasting sticks and 4 trays for graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, it's everything you need for the perfect s'mores night. Simply plug in the electric heater, assemble your ingredients, and let the fun begin. Whether you're reminiscing about summer nights around the campfire or creating new memories with loved ones, this s'mores maker adds a delightful touch to any occasion. Say goodbye to the hassle of outdoor fires and hello to convenient, mess-free s'mores enjoyment. Bring the warmth and sweetness of s'mores into your home with our Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. OLsky Massage Gun Deep Tissue. Introducing the OLsky Massage Gun Deep Tissue, your ultimate solution for muscle relief and relaxation. This handheld electric massager is designed to penetrate deep into muscles, providing high-intensity percussion therapy for effective pain relief. With 9 attachments to target different muscle groups and 30 adjustable speeds, you can customize your massage experience to suit your needs perfectly. Whether you're an athlete recovering from intense workouts or simply seeking relief from everyday tension, this massage gun delivers unparalleled performance. Its sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to your self-care routine. Say goodbye to muscle soreness and hello to rejuvenation with the OLsky Massage Gun Deep Tissue. Treat yourself to the ultimate massage experience and embrace a life of comfort and vitality. Carson MicroBrite Plus 60x 120x LED-lighted pocket microscope. Introducing the Carson MicroBrite Plus pocket microscope, your portable window into the microscopic world. With magnification ranging from 60x to 120x and built-in LED lighting, this handheld microscope is perfect for adults and students alike. Whether you're exploring the intricate details of nature, conducting science experiments in the lab, or engaging in STEM education, the MicroBrite Plus delivers crystal-clear imaging and enhanced visibility. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for on-the-go exploration, fitting perfectly into pockets or backpacks. Unleash your curiosity and dive into a world of discovery with the Carson MicroBrite Plus Pocket Microscope. Explore, learn, and experience the wonders of science like never before. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you're as captivated by these amazing products as we are, Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get your hands on them. And remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next exciting exploration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep shining bright.